Although the foundations were in place, there was still the problem of bringing thousands of tons of steel up over 100 floors. In past construction of skyscrapers, derricks were used. But a derrick had to be constantly lifted to a higher position, one floor at a time, costing several man-hours. Derricks also had to be powered from the ground, with extremely long cables running down through the floor already built. The answer was a self-powered crane that came from across the globe.
These were the so-called kangaroo cranes, nicknamed because they're coming from Australia, and they were put at the corner of each building. And what these kangaroo cranes essentially were able to do was to hoist themselves up with automatic machinery built into the crane such that the crane could rise as the building went up.
The crane's diesel motors supplied the power driving a series of hydraulic lifts installed at the base of each corner.
And an interesting problem at the very end is how do you get the kangaroo crane down? And the way that was done is they had to be disassembled and brought down by elevator.
The cranes would raise a structure unlike any in the world. Before the buildings would be finished, more radical construction and engineering methods would forever change how skyscrapers were built.